In this video, we are going to discuss about scope of change management. So what is scope of change management? So what comes under scope of change management and what comes under out of scope? If you can see clearly, scope of change management process is restricted to IMAC of IT infrastructure components including documentation. That means what is IMAC? It is install, move, add and change of IT infrastructure components. So whatever components required, we install or else we move them, we add them and we change based on the requirement, and also we document them. So coming to strategic, tactical and operational changes. In change management, the scopes comes under the strategic changes, the tactical changes and operational changes. So what is out of scope? So what is out of scope of change management? The first point is business strategies and processes. So change management does not contain the business strategy developed and also business strategy processes which needs to be maintained. And also, as we already saw in the note, that implementation of changes is not done in the change management. It is out of scope in the change management. Only implementation of changes is done by another team, which the scope of change comes under. Any other task documented as out of scope. So any other task apart from the IMAC of infrastructure, strategic, tactical and operational changes does not comes under the change management scope. So what are change types will be discussed in the next videos.